Today we're going to talk about beef and how it can actually help your YouTube channel. So the idea of beef is that you have an argument with someone and it's public, and then you fight about it and you get attention from all the conflict. So for example, Logan Paul and KSI had beef. KSI? I think it's KSI. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I didn't do any research. And then Tati Westbrook and James Charles recently had beef. And depending on how it goes, usually like one person kind of loses the fight, and then the other person doesn't directly gain that person's followers, but they kind of like gain prestige from winning, and they can gain that kind of long-term momentum from that. So you get a bunch of followers, but then you kind of continue to be like, oh yeah, he was the one that was right in that situation, and it's good to have that because you always want to be right. So then the thing with beef is that it kind of can help your channel grow even if you aren't the one winning the argument. And when that happens is if you're like a smaller person, celebrity, YouTuber, artist, actor, or whatever, and you have a public beef with someone who's like, more prestigious than you or better known than you gain media attention overall from the fact that this person acknowledged you and kind of like talked it out with you. So for example, if I had a beef with Elon Musk and he tweeted at me for like 3 or 4 days consistently back and forth about this issue, suddenly everyone else would be like, oh, who's this guy that Elon Musk is paying attention to? When before, like, you never would have thought of us as on the same level of interest to the general public. So that's how beef works, and of course it's kind of fun because it's dangerous, right? It can go the first way where you have problems and you end up like James Charles did at first, with a lot of subscribers leaving your channel, a lot of fans kind of becoming frustrated and abandoning you, or if you kind of come out on top or gain that notoriety, the second way that can actually really help you. So if you're famous and you're looking for someone to argue with, I'm your guy. Hit me up. I'm looking for some beef. I'm also looking for the button on the back of the camera so I can stop the recording. Joe's here!